Okay, today is July 18th, 2026. So I figured I'd just make just a real quick video for anybody wondering if this BD4C build project fell off the face of the earth. It hasn't. I got the landing gear back on and rolled into the garage. It will fit in there, but I can't really do any. Obviously, I can't put the wings on there. I'd never be able to get it out. So this is just the guest house that has a large garage attached, and we knew we were going to have to extend it in order to build the plane. Either that, or put it inside. Have it a little on the cramped side. Build out the wing, finish the wings, and then take them off again and get it out of there. But I think what we're going to do, so this lawn area here. Up to the driveway, so that the driveway kind of curves around. That's the actual house. So the driveway just kind of curves around there, and then there's lawn here, and there's a sidewalk up to the one door on the guest house, and then there's lawn. So the lawn on the far end will just stay the way it is. Here, I'll leave a little bit of lawn on the one side where the extension won't be, but the rest of it is going to get replaced with gravel and then possibly concrete. I don't know if I want to go to the extent of replacing or to putting concrete in there, because it's going to be a temporary solution. The extension, we'll probably move it out over, by the solar panels over there. Or possibly, somewhere out there. We've got enough land to kind of put it where we want. That's kind of the reason for moving. But so this is where the new build's going to be, and I'm going to extend this out with a temporary structure long enough to be able to finish building this. It'll ultimately get hangared at an airport that's about half an hour from here. But that's not going to be until it's basically ready for test flights. The immediate thing is getting this built out. I'm waiting on basically all the materials, which should be here next Thursday, and then we'll be building that out, getting everything sealed up against the garages there, and then we'll have basically a T hanger. In the one side here, and then I'll start building. I really don't want to. I don't want to put the wings on yet. Number one, there's no protection, and I'd have to put plastic over that as well. But I also can't work on anything because the wings are in the way of everything, because they're sitting on those workbenches that used to be in the old hangar. So. That's what's going on. I haven't abandoned this. It's just taking a long time, moving to a completely different state, many miles away from where we were. It just takes time, and getting set up, everything in the new house just takes time. So hopefully we'll get going on this in about probably a month, to be fair, and then I'll start doing videos. The other thing I'll do is there's a bunch of videos that I had in the can that I just didn't finish editing. I'll start putting those out. So this video will be kind of out of sequence of those because they're from several months ago. But I'll try to get those published in the meantime until I can start up the build again. So I guess that's it for now. Thanks for watching.